Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about curves, and this will help you to burst a myth about curve, what you thought a curve. Let's first define a curve. A curve is when I put my pencil down and I draw whatever I draw before I lift my pencil up. Whatever I draw before I lift my pencil up, this is a curve. So I put pencil down, I started drawing, I lifted pencil up here. So whatever happened is a curve. So this is a curve. This is also a curve. This is also a curve. And surprisingly, this also is a curve. We call it a straight shape, but that also is a curve as far as geometry is concerned. The definition of curve is any shape drawn without lifting the pencil up. Now, these curves can be classified. For example, here you see the curve when we are drawing, it is crossing itself at this point. It is crossing itself. Whereas this curve is not crossing itself. This curve also is not crossing, though it meets, it closes. So based on these, we have different types of curves. For example, simple curve. A curve that does not cross itself is called a simple curve. So here, if I name this, let's say this is shape 1, this is shape 2, this is shape 3, and shape 4. So here shape 1 is a simple curve. Shape 2, is it a simple curve? No, it is not a simple curve because it is crossing itself. Shape 3, is it a simple curve? Yes, it is a simple curve. It is not crossing. Shape 4, yes, that too is a simple curve. But what is the difference between 1 and 3? 1 and 3, the difference between them is this is not joining the start and end point, they are different. Whereas here the start and end point is same. They join each other. So when the curves start and end point join each other, they are called closed curve. So this is a closed curve. Number 3 here is a closed curve. Now if I have this curve, is it a closed curve? Yes, it is a closed curve. So is it a simple closed curve? No, it is not a simple closed curve because it is crossing itself. So this one is not a simple closed curve, whereas this one is a simple closed curve. The figure 4 shows a curve which is made up of line segments, the shortest path between these points. So this is a curve made up of line segments. Let's see something else. So I have a simple closed curve. This is area which is inside the simple closed curve. It is bound by this boundary inside. And if we see all the area here, this area is outside of this curve. So the area which is outside of the curve is called exterior of the curve. is called exterior. And the area which is inside the curve is called interior. Now let me have some points. So if I have a point A here, point B here, point C here, point D here, okay, then which point is in interior of the curve? Which is the interior? Definitely point B is in interior. So point B is in interior. And which point is in the exterior? I can see that point A and point C, both these points are in exterior. But what about point D? Point D is said to be on the curve. It is neither in the exterior nor in the interior. So it is called on the curve. The area which is occupied by the interior and the curve itself is called a region. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.